Welcome to MH class. Today also we'll discuss about some questions related to lines and angles of class 9, MCQs of lines and angles of class 9. Okay. So first question, see the question. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, then the triangle is, three angles are there. One angle of triangle is equal to the other two, sum of the other two angles. That means if A is equal to B plus C, and already we know that A plus B plus C is equal to what? 180 degree. So A is equal to B plus C. So put here A. So A plus A twice A. Twice A is equal to 180. So A is equal to what? 90. So ultimately what? It is a right angle triangle, and property already got about that property. If one angle is sum of the other two angles, the triangle must be a right angle triangle. Okay. Next question number 2c. If angles of a triangle are in the ratio, this is the ratio 5:3:7, then triangle is what type of triangle? It is acute angle, obtuse triangle, right angle, and isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles is not possible because any two ratios are not same. For isosceles triangles, any two sides should be equal. Okay, that for that any two ratios should be same. What are the total ratio? 5 plus 3 is 15. So 15, total angle is 180. So divided by 15 is equal to how much? 12. Okay. Clear? So we are getting 12. So 5 12s are 60. The angles are 60, 36, and 7 12s are 84. 60 degree, 36 degree, and 84 degree. These are the angles. 60 degree, 36 degree, and 84 degree. If we add all these things, what will get? 180 will get. Clear? So it is all angles are less than 90 degree. So it must be acute angle triangle. Second question, third question, question number 3. See, so the values of x in the figure. So this figure, this is the figure. What is the sum of this all the angles? That is 4x plus 3x 7x. 7x plus 40 is equal to 180. So try to make it short. 7x is equal to 180 minus 40, that is 140. So x is equal to what? If we divide by this 20 will get. X is equal to 20 degree. So values of x is 20 degree is the correct option. Okay. So as much as make it simple, that is you are benefited. So try to make it so simple, because these are 1 mark questions. Maximum 1 minute we have to utilize. So question number 3 has gone. Question number 4, see, question number 4 is given. Angles of triangles are in the ratio 2:4:3. 2:4:3. The smallest angle of the triangle is, again same thing, 2:4:3. Total is 2466 plus 3 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9 part is equal to 180. So 1 part is equal to 20. The smallest is 2 part. So 2 part is 1 part is 20, 2 part is 40. So correct answer is 40 degree. Okay. Be careful, this part 2 plus 4 plus 3 total is 9. So 9 is equal to 180. It is related with angles. Again, if the ratio between the complementary angles is 2:3. Complementary angles 2:3. That means what? Complementary is sum of two angles is 90 degree. Sum of two angles is 90 degree. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is possible, this is also possible. Out of these two, what will be the correct answer? But here ratio is 2:3. 2:3 means 2 plus 3 is 5. Total ratio is 5. 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5, how much? 18. So 1 part is 18. 18 to the 36 and 18 3 is the 54. This is the correct option. Okay. If the difference between two supplementary angles, difference between two supplementary angles is 40 degree, difference is 40 degree, then the angles are, just overlook it. This is what? Supplementary angles, difference is 40, it's okay. This is not supplementary, so this is not the answer. This is supplementary. So out of A and C, the answer is we will get the answer. But which is the correct option? The difference is 40 degree. Okay. This is what? Is it supplementary? 125 plus 165, this will get 190, I think. If we add this 190, so this is not correct option. So correct option is this one. These two difference is 40, but this is total is, see here total is 190, so it is not supplementary, but here total is what? 180, so this is correct option. This we have to find out. Question number 7. See question number 7. What is question number 7? In a figure, m is parallel to n. M is parallel to n. Then find the value of x. This is twice x. This is 120. This value angle is 120. This is twice x. These are the interior angles on the same sides of the transversal. The sum of the angles is what? Twice x plus 120 is equal to 180. That is twice x is equal to 60. So x is equal to what? 30. So value of x is 30. Option C is the correct option. Okay. This we have to solve. Next question, see question number 8. What is question number 8 given? See, this diagram is given. BO is the bisector of this angle, BO is the bisector of this angle, and CO is the bisector of this angle, and they meet at this point BOC. We need to find out this value x. Here one property, actually not discussed earlier, but that property you have to see. If it is inside that, how do we get that? We discussed already. Angle BOC, one is 90 degree plus half of angle A. This is if interior angles, for interior angles. This is for interior angles, and this is for exterior angles is what? Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. 90 degree minus half of angle A. So angle A is equal to 60 degree, half angle A 30 degree. So 90 degree minus 30 degree. Put it here, 90 degree minus half of 60 degree is 30 degree. That is nothing but what? 60 degree. So angle, this value of x is 60 degree. This answer is 60 degree. Okay. Next question, question number 9. See question number 9. What is given? Question number 9. These two lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. Find the value of x. Now see, this is nothing but what? This is a triangle, and this angle is the exterior angle. But this angle and this angle is same because these two lines are parallel. So this will be 60. And what will get? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. That is 60 is equal to x plus 40. So what will get? X is equal to 20 degree. Sum of these two is nothing but this. So what will get? That value is what? This 40. So this will be 20. The correct option is 20 degree. Okay. Last question. See. Here these two lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. This is the transversal. And here we get this figure. This angle is 65 degree. This angle is 65 degree. This is x. This is x is given. This is 40. We need to find out the value of x. This x is nothing but what? If we take this is the triangle, if we see this is the triangle, then this will be the exterior angle. So this exterior angle is sum of these two angles, but this angle is nothing but what? This is parallel, so this is what? This is also 65 degree. So x is equal to what? 40 plus 65. So 40 plus 65. This is equal to 105. The correct option is 105. Okay. So in this we have to solve the problems. If we know, if our concept is clear, we can solve any problems, any type of problems, whatever it is given. So first try to concept your clear your concept. First try to clear the concepts. After that you make yourself the questions. Try to make the questions, MCQs, and solve it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.